2011 Juke we're working on with changing the turbo. There's no room up there, so we have to drop the engine down. Also, we did the chain, timing gear already new.
All right, so how did they know the turbo was bad?
Smoking.
So it was smoking. So you had to drop the engine out to get the turbo out because it's way in the back here, right?
Way in the back. There's no room. Look at it. Look where it is.
It sits right there. So only way to get to that is to drop the engine. Now you did the timing chain too?
Yes, I did the timing.
Why did you do that? Because you were doing it because the engine was out?
Yeah, so we did everything right. Here's the old turbo. Want to show them? Here's the old turbo.
All right, what's wrong with it?
The turbo is shot. It's loose, as you can see, it's smoking. It's not that bad yet, but it's bad.
Starts grinding?
Yeah, no, it's not grinding. It starts smoking. So
What causes the smoke?
bad turbo.
Yeah, but what actually is it? Is it a grinding effect? Is it just that?
No, smoking effect. Smoke. It smokes. Start to smoke.
What causes the smoke?
Turbo being loose.
All right, so this happens to turbos frequently.
On Juke.
What size engine is that?
That's no 1.6 liter. 1.6 turbo. Yes.
And that's
Juke.
Nissan?
Juke.
Okay. There's the car. So how long does it take to actually do this job?
At least 8 hours.
Wow.
Yeah. Time invested, but.
And what kind of turbo are you putting in there? You got to put a new one,
Brand new
rebuild?
one. Here's the brand new turbo we're putting in. Brand new. 1 year warranty. If it's gonna last 1 year, it's gonna last a lot more than that. Just gotta have to change the oil on time. So should be all right.
So there's no way to get behind that engine and do it
No.
without dropping the engine?
No, you have to drop the engine. It's a tough spot. You can do it unless you have a little Chinese guy, but as you can see, I'm pretty big. So the aft con is pretty big.
So you took the engine out through the bottom.
Yeah. Also, where's the gasket?
Big job.
No, the old one from the side. I like to use the original one, the factory one. Yeah, I need that. I'm gonna use the back one. I'm gonna use this same
Why do
one
you want to use the original one?
because they don't leak. You know what I mean?
Do you want the people to contact you if they have any questions?
Yeah, if you want to.
All right, this is Big Joe's in Philadelphia. 215-499-9071. If you need repairs or have any questions. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care. Big Joe.
Thank you, sir.